A moment for a ritual of installation for Rabbi Nevarez. We are blessed that you are here, and it is our opportunity now to give you a blessing. So I want to invite all of our clergy who are in the congregation tonight, Jews and non-Jews, to come and join us on the bima, and our Rabbi Emeritus, Michael Burke, to come join us at the Ark. Won't you please rise?
Female Torah scribes in all Jewish history, and by the hands of hundreds of members of Beth Israel, men, women, children of all ages, up to the 90s, hundreds of them, showing their love and their commitment to this synagogue, this community, and this Torah. I now pass it to you with incredible responsibility to help them write the Torahs of their lives, to help them create a Judaism they can bind their lives to. And along the way, may their love and their commitment light a fire in your Torah, the Torah of your life, and the Torah that you teach. Chazak v'amatz.
Thank you. Our God and God of our ancestors, bestow your blessing on Rabbi Jason Nevarez and this congregation. Instill in him wisdom and righteousness, steadfastness and devotion, as he continues assuming the position of Senior Rabbi of Congregation Beth Israel.
Grant Rabbi Nevarez a wise heart, candor, and courage. May he respond to every challenge with dignity. Implant within him a full measure of your compassion, that he might embody the words of our tradition.
Eloheinu v'Elohei avotenu v'imotenu, my God, God of our ancestors, I pray that you will be my guide as I humbly embark upon the task of leading this holy community. May we work together as sacred partners to fulfill the vision and mission of this Kehillah Kedosha. May I never lead them astray, knowingly or inadvertently, and may my hands and heart be ever faithful in serving you.
It was the privilege of the high priest Aaron to bless the people. It is our privilege now as clergy to bless you. We join together. Yivarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha. May God bless you and guard you. Ya'er Adonai panav elecha v'chuneka.
May God's face shine upon you with radiance and with grace.
Yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom. May God's face be lifted up to you and grant you peace. Amen. And we all say together, Ken Yehi Ratzon.
Amen. Amen.
Peace and your loving kindness.
Yeah.